I'm going to pull into the first overlook of Joyce Kilmer, and I'm going to clean off my visor and make sure that your lens is clear, and then we'll proceed on. I heard rumor that North Carolina Highway Patrol is going to be on the Skyway this weekend. Usually once or twice a year they bring a couple BMWs up here and patrol the area. It allows their motor units to learn how to ride a motorcycle other than on flat roads. I won't be riding this weekend. In fact, this might be the last video that I do until Monday. So do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. Whatever you do, don't hit the thumbs down button. Just hit the thumbs up. Somebody hit thumbs down on one of my Blue Ridge Parkway videos from yesterday. I'm thinking to myself, why hit the thumbs down? Why not just close the window and move on? How bad do you hate the Blue Ridge Parkway that you're giving it a thumbs down? It might have been a Harley owner that doesn't like riding the Blue Ridge Parkway at the speed limit. So that could be. I'll give him the benefit of a doubt. Alright, here it is, Joyce Kilmer. I'm confident we're not going to see anybody up here but us. It's going to be lonely today. The weather's too nice. People don't ride when the weather's nice. Woo, my fingers don't work. Man, I can see again. How about you guys? Can you see? All good? There's still a lot of junk on the inside of my face screen. I probably should get that. It's going to bother me. It's been bothering me since I left the house. I wasn't smart enough to clean the inside before I left home. Yeah, I know. I hear some Harleys coming. Rolling thunder. Here they come. Here they come. Look at them. Whoa, motorcycle gang. Oh my gosh, look at them. Wow. Wow. Whoo. All right, let's do this. I've ridden about 700 miles between Monday, Tuesday, and today up here in the mountains. And I can tell you, my hands are sore. Tennessee would hurry up and pave their side of the Skyway. It'd be nice if it was as smooth as this is. I don't get out here as often as I used to since they stepped up the law enforcement. Oh, they're having some Azalea Fest this weekend. So that too is going on up here. Florida, 25 miles an hour. I think it's like Azalea Fest up here on the Skyway and Heritage Fest in Robbinsville. Whatever Heritage Fest is. Oh, look at that crazy motorcycle gang. Whoa, they look scary.